Hey everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This St. Patrick's Day, bring luck to your customers without losing your profits. Are you ready to maximize your holiday sale while keeping your profit margin intact? That's simple. Set a percentage discount and define a maximum value for that discount. For example, 30% off but capped at $300. This ensures customers get a deal but your margins stay safe. This means you can offer attractive sales without worrying about losing too much profit on high value items. So, for knowing how to set a cap discount in Shopify like this, watch this tutorial without skipping. So, before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips because more Shopify seasonal tips are on the way. So, for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available in the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box so you can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and then add any discount code. For now, I'm adding 30% off as my discount code. I'm planning to give a 30% discount with a cap amount of $300. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 300. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher than 300, our capping amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will be limited to 300 only. Now you can apply the discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. Let's try for all the products now. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I am not adding any minimum purchase requirement now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tax or only on first order customer like that. And you can also limit the number of usage of this code discount can be used in total. Like if I'm giving 100 means this discount will be available only for the 100 first users. And if you need to limit the usage of this code per customer only one time, you can just enable this. And here in this active dates, you can set the active dates of the codes, like when it should start, the time, and when it should end and the time. Those setups you can set it in the active dates. If you are planning to run the sales through the 10 days of St. Patrick's Day or a month or a week, then you can set it the timings accordingly here. And if you need, you can also club this discount with the existing ones like the product discount or a discount or a shipping discount. And after adding all this, let's save the changes. Now let's test or check whether the code has been activated successfully. From the discount section, I can see that the 30% off code has been activated successfully. Now let's test this setup in our online store. I'm trying to buy the product of worth 599. I'm adding this product to the cart. I'm applying the code now. Now you can see that the 30% of the 599, which is 179, has been applied successfully, and this user or this customer will be getting a complete 30% off of the cart value. Now let's test with some other products having a higher price. So I'm trying to buy the product of worth 5,000. Now I'm adding my 30% off code here. Now you can see that the 30% of the 5,000, which is greater than 300, but this customer will be getting a discount amount only up to 300 because we have already capped the discount amount at 300. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 300 even if the 30% of this cart value is higher than 300. So this way we can limit the discount amount using the capping discount features. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and just try this out in your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also do comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.